Actress Sushmita Sen kicked off hype for the much-awaited second season of her web series Arya with a strong Instagram post on Friday. Keep all your battles outside these gates, for if you try to bring them in, it's a war. She wrote alongside an image of herself. The actress reprises the titular role of Arya Sareen in the gangster series, which will also star Ankur Bhatia. Sushmita is currently shooting in Jaipur for the second part of the series, directed by Ram Madhwani. Last year, the first season of the show marked her return to showbiz after 5 years since she appeared on screen. Her last released film before Arya was the Bengali art house film Nirbak. Bollywood actress Yami Gautam has begun shooting for her film A Thursday. The film is directed and written by Behzad Khambatta and also features Dimple Kapadia, Atul Kulkarni, Neha Dhupia and Maya Sarao. Yami took to her Instagram account to confirm the news. She wrote, "Breaking news. A series of unforgettable events are about to come your way. All that happened on A Thursday." In the film, Yami essays the role of Naina Jaiswal, a play school teacher who takes 16 toddlers hostage. Yami, who is known for her positive roles in films such as Vicky Donor, Uri the Surgical Strike and Ginny Ved Sunny, will be playing a grey character for the first time. Actress Deepika Padukone was snapped heading out of a restaurant after a dinner date with her baby sister Anisha Padukone. Deepika opted for a V-neck orange top which she paired up with denims. She accessorized her overall look with black face mask and black bag. Anisha was spotted wearing black oversized black shirt with jeans. On the acting front, Deepika has a busy year ahead. She will be seen in Shakun Batra's upcoming yet untitled film that also stars Siddhant Chaturvedi and Ananya Pandey. Deepika will also be seen in an untitled film with Amitabh Bachchan and Prabhas, and she has a role in 83 starring husband Ranveer Singh. She will also unite with Bollywood star Hrithik Roshan for the first time in the action-adventure Fighter, directed by Siddharth Anand. The much-hyped horror comedy Ruhi managed a first-day collection of Rs 3.06 crore upon releasing on the festive holiday of Mahashivratri on Thursday. The Hardik Mehta directorial, starring Rajkumar Rao, Varun Sharma and Janhvi Kapoor, is the first major big-screen release from Bollywood after theatres reopened amid the global COVID pandemic. Bollywood trade analyst Taran Adarsh, sharing the box office report, wrote on Instagram, "Ruhi springs a pleasant surprise on day one despite COVID pandemic. Mahashivratri holiday proves advantageous. National multiplexes contribute maximum approx 1.89 crore, while Tier 2 cities show decent footfalls, Thursday 3.06 crore. The film co-produced by Dinesh Vijan and Mrigdeep Singh Lamba has opened to mixed critical response. Mann Ki Awaaz Pratigya is all set to make its comeback with a second season after 10 years. The show will launch on Star Bharat on March 15. Pratigya 2 is integrating with Ye Rishta Kya Kehlata Hai to promote it. Recently, Pooja Gaur aka Pratigya and Shivangi Joshi aka Seerat were seen shooting for some scenes together. During the media interaction, Pooja said,
बहुत खुशी हो रही है कि मुझे इनके शो का छोटा सा ही सही बट हिस्सा बनने का मौका मिला। ये रिश्ता एक आइकॉनिक शो है। इट हैज़ क्रिएटेड हिस्ट्री इन अ लॉट ऑफ वेज एंड जब हम वापसी कर रहे हैं इस शो के लिए तो एक ऐसे परिवार से एक ऐसे शो के साथ एसोसिएट होना जो इतनी सक्सेस हासिल कर चुका है उससे बेटर और क्या हो सकता है। एंड मुझे उनकी पूरी टीम से मिलने का मौका मिला, उनकी बधाइयाँ मिली है, उनकी विशेस मिली है। वी आर जस्ट वेरी हैप्पी एंड लकी टू बी हियर। आई हैव फुल फेथ दैट सेकंड सीजन लोगों को बहुत 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 अच्छा लगेगा।
When Pooja was asked how this season of Pratigya will be different from the previous season, she said,
इस सीजन में ये किरदार जो है, हमारी पूरी कहानी है वो 9 साल बाद की है। तो ऑफ कोर्स सभी कैरेक्टर्स बड़े हुए हैं 9 साल बाद। आप देख रहे हैं प्रतिज्ञा कृष्णा के अब छोटे छोटे बच्चे हैं 2। तो ऑफ कोर्स आज तक प्रतिज्ञा एक बेटी बहू पत्नी की कैपेसिटी में आपने देखा था। अब एक माँ का किरदार भी जुड़ गया है और ऑफ कोर्स वो एक प्रैक्टिसिंग पब्लिक प्रोसिक्यूटर है। तो वो 2 रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज़ को वो कैसे जगल करती है, जैसे बहुत सारी हमारी सोसाइटी में औरतें जगल करती है, वो एक बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग डायनामिक देखने को मिलेगा आपको ऑन एयर।
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.